keyframe.
Oh, I know that.
Hey, Anthony.
This is gonna start to look familiar now. So I got it started. So I'll go back down to the timeline. And I'll double click this little cursor. Go ahead and double click this real quick and see what pops up.
I was gonna
Two
say
fingers.
it wasn't being hip.
No, 2 fingers at the same time.
He was being nice. That's just
Oh, my old lines.
You're good. You're good.
Anthony is Miss. Anthony is okay. I know that's how he acts. He always
go.
how he acts.
So you got here that pops up is a bunch of different, video settings and audio angle settings. You can rename your clip. You can disable it. What we want to do here is show the video animation. Video animation is how you can actually see what your keyframe is. So now that little thing pops up, right? The video animation. So now you'll see a little dot at the beginning. That's what we just put over here. So we see on the top right, that's going to actually manipulate what you're seeing on your timeline. Okay? So now it's going to get a little fun. What we're going to do is move this little cursor a little further off to the right.